Imagine this. You wake up late for work. You're still in bed, your eyes barely open, and instead of rushing to the kitchen, a humanoid robot quietly walks in with a freshly made sandwich. Bread toasted golden brown, tomato slices perfect, cheese melted just right, all prepared in just 10 minutes. Sounds like a Hollywood sci-fi scene, right? Well, welcome to reality. Because Tesla just made it happen. The Tesla bot gen, better known as Optimus, has officially shown off a skill that no other humanoid robot on Earth has ever pulled off. It made a sandwich from scratch, and here's the kicker. This isn't just a party trick. This demonstration is proof that Optimus is no longer a clumsy machine. It's a future household assistant, a caregiver, a personal chef, and maybe even a security guard. So grab a snack, preferably a sandwich, and stick with me. Because you're about to discover why this 10-minute sandwich could change everything we know about robots, AI, and the future of human life. Let's dive in. Number 1. Why everyone is freaking out. Think about this. For years, robots were either giant factory arms building cars or viral clips of Boston Dynamics robots doing backflips and dances. Cool? Yes. Useful? Not really, because here's the truth. None of us need a robot that can dance better than us. We need a robot that can help us in daily life. That's why the Tesla bot sandwich test is blowing people's minds. Cooking is one of the hardest real-world tasks for a robot. Why? It's not just about repeating steps. It's about recognizing objects, making decisions, and using the right amount of force. Cutting a tomato without smashing it? Easy for you, impossible for most machines. But Optimus did it. Spreading mayonnaise evenly without ripping the bread? Done. Stacking everything neatly and serving it on a plate? Perfect. And it wasn't sloppy. It looked like a sandwich a trained chef could make. That's why this moment is so powerful. But here's what you're probably wondering. How the heck does a robot even cook in the first place? Number 2, how Tesla pulled off the impossible. Okay, let's break this down. Elon Musk didn't just throw some motors and sensors together and hope for the best. Tesla designed Optimus with 3 groundbreaking technologies that make this sandwich miracle possible. Computer vision. Seeing like a human, Optimus isn't just looking at shapes, it understands objects. Using Tesla's advanced cameras and 3D sensors, it knows that's a knife for cutting, that's a jar of mayo, not a bottle of ketchup. Lettuce belongs between slices of bread, not on the floor. It's literally seeing the world like us. Dexterous hands. The game changer. Most robots can lift heavy boxes, but try asking them to hold an egg without cracking it. Impossible. Optimus, however, has 22 degrees of freedom hands, packed with dozens of actuators that mimic human tendons. This allows it to slice tomatoes into thin, perfect slices, spread mayo with just the right pressure, grip utensils without dropping them. Other robots are still struggling to stand up without falling. Optimus? He's already making breakfast. Self-learning AI, the real brain. Here's the wild part. Optimus isn't programmed step by step. Instead, it learns like we do, by watching videos and practicing. Elon Musk even joked that Optimus could literally watch a YouTube cooking tutorial and copy it. Imagine that. Your robot learns recipes the same way you do. It first trains in virtual simulations, making mistakes, adjusting, refining, and only then moves into the real kitchen. That's why it's so precise now. But wait, why did Tesla decide that cooking would be Optimus's very first skill? Out of everything, why sandwiches? Number 3, why cooking first? The genius behind it. Here's Elon Musk's reasoning, and honestly, it makes perfect sense. He once said, "A useful robot doesn't just know how to walk. It has to take care of human life. And nothing is more essential to life than food. Cooking is the most common household need, the most emotional part of family life, the ultimate test of perception, logic, and dexterity. If Optimus can make a sandwich, it can also cook breakfast for your kids, help elderly parents with daily meals, assist people with disabilities to live independently, even support hospitals by preparing patient food. Cooking is the gateway skill. Once mastered, cleaning, caregiving, babysitting, even tutoring are just steps away. So yes, a sandwich is a big deal. It's the doorway into your home, into your daily life. But here's the real question. What happens if every family in America had their own Optimus robot? Number 4, imagine the future with Optimus. Let's time travel 10 years into the future. In homes across America, parents aren't stressed about making breakfast. They're spending more time with their kids while Optimus cooks and cleans. In healthcare, hospitals use Optimus as assistant nurses, delivering meals, checking vitals, even detecting early health warnings. In restaurants, chefs use Optimus to handle repetitive tasks while focusing on creativity. Every burger comes out perfect. No mistakes, no stress. In security, your Optimus isn't just a cook, it's also a 24/7 security guard. With 360 sensors and face recognition, it can spot intruders, lock doors, even guide your family to safety in emergencies. This isn't sci-fi. This is literally the roadmap Tesla is building right now. And guess what? Elon Musk predicts that 80% of Tesla's future revenue will come from humanoid robots, not cars. That's trillions of dollars, all from a robot that started with making sandwiches. But you're probably wondering, okay, when can I get one? And how much will it cost? Number 5, price and availability. Here's the update straight from Musk himself. Tesla will start selling Optimus in small quantities next year. Tesla employees will be the first to get them. As beta testers, the estimated price? Anywhere from $20,000 for the base model to $80,000 for the premium Gen 3 version. Expensive? Absolutely. But think of it this way. If a robot costs $20K and can save or earn $1,000 per month in labor, it pays for itself in less than 2 years. After that, it's pure profit or pure convenience. That's why analysts believe Optimus could become as common as smartphones. At first, it'll be pricey, but once Tesla mass produces millions per year, costs could drop to $30,000 or even $15,000. Number 6, the bigger picture. Jobs and society, of course, not everyone is cheering. Some people are terrified. If robots can cook, clean, and take care of people, won't millions lose their jobs? It's a fair concern. But remember history. When ATMs came out, people thought bank tellers were finished. Instead, bank branches grew. When personal computers launched, people feared job loss. Instead, entire new industries were born. The same thing will happen with Optimus. Yes, it will replace some repetitive labor, but it will also create entirely new careers. Robot trainers, AI supervisors, maintenance specialists, ethical compliance officers. Humans won't disappear. We'll level up. Finally, so let me ask you this. Would you actually trust a robot like Optimus in your kitchen? If Tesla released it tomorrow for $20K, would you buy it, yes or no? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to see how many of you are ready to have a robot chef at home. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of Tesla Bot Gen 3's amazing sandwich test, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more futuristic tech stories. Because the future isn't coming someday, it's already here. and it just served you a sandwich. The future is cooking with robots.